Here we got more eBay packages. I'm gonna box them now. First, I'm gonna box parts express ones, I bet. First, I'll do this one. Let's open it. It's got more GE sync outlets for my lights in my room. Like $25, so it's not too bad. Far from full price. Very nice. It comes in a 3-pack. It's boxing. Came in good condition. Sealed. Original in box. But don't need to get all the shit out. So this is it. I'll take a picture of it. I resume the video. Next, small parts express box. It's very light. So this is the second one I'm unboxing. Careful still. Oh, these are very tiny. But I'm gonna order more. Those are a bit expensive, but definitely worth it. Wanna pause. These are the State Audio 1.25-inch speakers, neodymium. They're very cute, really good too. Much better than the larger 1.5-inch speakers you get in Bluetooth speakers. These are very good quality. Very nice. They both came in good condition. I need to fit them in a secret place, though. I like them. I'm not gonna break them. I'm keeping them. They're good speakers. I'm gonna take a picture to. So now back to the video. I ordered another 5 1/4-inch neodymium mid-bass woofer from Parts Express by Dayton Audio as well. Same thing I got back in November. Always wanted a pair. Of course, it contains sharp edges, but I haven't cut myself on this at all. This is not bad for $33. Perfect. Looks very nice. So now I got a full pair of these. I might order another pair and build like a bookshelf speaker system with this. These are very good drivers. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching.